Noob. Hello, future coder. Hello, anonymous guest. Let's learn some Python.
Yeah. Well, this was, I mean, what we're at right now, was our approach
Mhm.
to solving, well, really solving this to
Yeah.
make it true. Um,
And actually, there's one change I would suggest in our solution.
mhm.
On line 3, well, first off, just delete line 3 and see if the program still works.
Hmm.
And
Run it.
run it. I could
Yeah,
prove to you that line 3 does nothing.
because
Because either it's going to, either within the for loop, either x equals thing defined and result will be true, or else result will be false. So the value of result will get overwritten in either case. So there was no reason to set it to true on line 3
I'm already
because it's already
technically
being in either outcome of the conditional. It
mhm.
is it is being set to a value.
Right.
So one thing we can do is delete line 3, but actually the better thing to do is go back to line 3
Mhm.
and set result equal false.
So at least then, oh, sorry, I know why.
Yep, capital F. And now go to
That's-
lines 8 and 9. We can just delete those. Oh, sorry. Keep line 8.
Yeah, I was about
Or don't. Either way
okay.
is fine actually. No, we need to keep line 8.
Okay. So,
And now we can delete line 9 and 10.
huh. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. I got
And
what
let's
you're saying.
comment line 8 for now. It won't hurt.
Really?
It won't hurt to comment out line 8
Because it'll be false if this doesn't. Okay,
because
I know why.
as if x is true once, it'll stay true.
Hmm. Yeah, because it has no reason to change back.
Yes.
Okay. Well,
So let's run this. It'll
I
say,
did.
"Oh,
I
you
did.
did." Okay, and it'll say true, and it
Yeah.
did say true. Okay, now let's go on to what they're saying. Unless you have a question on this.
Well, if it stays true, what's stopping it from? Oh, okay, now I get it. Now I get it. Never mind. I figured it out. I figured it out. Wait, well, I can't close it, but I figured it out. I figured it out.
Okay, good.
Yeah, because it'll try to print these. Well, no.
It won't try to print those.
There's no effects and things. If okay, true, true. Because after it tries this still says it's true. So no, you kind of lost me there because after it becomes true, it doesn't go back to false. It stays true.
It stays true.
What's stopping it from printing? Hmm. Okay. Okay. Wait. Why am I so confused here? Because what's changing result to the value of um, okay, okay. Now I got it. Now I got it. Now I got it. I'm answering my own questions in my head, so that's
Okay,
why you
that's
have me
okay.
doing that. Yeah, I figured it out. I figured it out.
Great.
Yeah. All right. So you want me to hit next or
Have we read through the stuff on the left all?
on the left?
I don't think we have.
I don't think we tried the other
So
methods.
it says a typical solution looks something like this.
Hmm.
Found equals false for
Oh, we tried
thing
that
in
out.
things if thing equals thing to find, colon, found equal true. Then at the end, print found.
All right.
And it
So
says your solution is probably similar. It's fine, but it's a bit inefficient. That's because it'll loop over the entire list, even if it finds the elements at the beginning. If it finds the element at the beginning. You can stop any loop using a break statement, like so. For thing in things, if thing equal thing defined colon, found equal true, break. This is just as correct, but skips unnecessary iterations and checks once it finds the element. You can use snoop to see the difference.
So
let's snoop it without the break,
yeah, just
just
without
like
the
it is
break.
now, which you already did. So let's just look at that
Yeah.
and see how many times it goes through the loop. I mean, how many times it iterates in the for loop.
Let me 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Which is deemed inefficient?
Well, let's try it with the break. See how many times it does it.
I'd assume 2 times.
Yeah.
There we go. 1, 2. That feels the most efficient.
This is.
Yeah.
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 And actually, an interesting thing here,
Mhm.
often with when you're talking about how efficient is a program, you talk about best case, worst case, and average case. So the best case is we find the element at the first index or index 0. Then we only need one iteration of the loop and we're done. In the worst case, if we were looking for snake, we'd have to go all the way through the list to find it. That's the worst case, but the average case is somewhere in the middle. So like the second or third one.
Right. I got you.
And interestingly, if you can control the input to a server and you know which sorting algorithm it uses, you can exploit its worst case runtime and slow it down.
Split the worst case runtime. Huh. Uh,
Don't worry about
feel,
that. That's
yeah, I feel that's gonna
getting
be an
deep.
explanation. Yeah.
But
I feel like
let's go back to this. The point is it only had
Oh.
to do the iteration 2 times, and that's better than 4.
Right. Yeah, I think that's good for today.
Okay.
Sorry. I think I got it. I don't know where this headache is coming from.
All right, we'll try early tomorrow and see if it works better.
No, thank you so much.
You're welcome. You have a good one. Rest easy.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Let's see, what are we doing? I'm figuring out what to do next on the stream is what I'm doing. Okay, let's do. I don't need the be right back screen right now. What do I have open? Oh, GeoPython. I don't want to think about GeoPython right now. I want to think about something else. What would that be? I know we're only 9 minutes in. We got dead air. The air is dead. Gonna check on one thing and then I'll be right back. Let's do some coding game. We'll do some coding game. Where is edit stream info? Let's go. Okay, let's bring the coding game onto the screen and let's join a clash. Yeah, Clash of Code. Let's go. Oh, I might want the sounds on. Oh, I also remember I was going to um, write a Twitch chat message ping. Write that in the chat so I remember it. Reverse mode. You have to guess what to do by observing the provided set of tests. I'm not very good at these sometimes. Test input 1, coding game, Python Py. Coding game / python.py. 2, 1, 2, 9. Okay, I think I get it. 20, blah, blah, blah. That's silly. Unknown.py. So we have. Wait, they already gave us file name and extension? Print, I do not know. This input stuff practically gives away the whole game. 1 tells you the number of slashes. So you just folders equals empty list. Folders folders dot append. Folder. Let's make this like much bigger. That's better. That's too big. That's better. So S equals num S equals empty string. Solaris, hello, welcome back. Glad to see you. For I in range num. Oh, I have to do the. I'll do a list. Oh, wait, I can just do S equals fold. No. Slash dot join. Slash dot join folders. What's wrong with my syntax here? String literal is on terminated. Did I use the wrong characters? Oh, I need to use // or forward. Is it a // I just do a // it was an escape character. Yeah. To join folders, and no, I don't need the I. Folders. I feel like I'm going kind of slow, but that's okay. And I need to actually print the S. Play all test cases. This should do it. What the? Darn it. Oh, I need a slash at the end. I should have done it with a for loop. What am I thinking? Because there's a slash after every directory, because that's how directories work. Duh. Okay. Is this ready to submit? Yeah, that's submit ready. Might even be commit ready. So what do we have? We have JavaScript. That's good. And we have some people still clashing. View code. Folder plus equal. Oh, that's nice. Input plus slash. Wait, this is confusing. Folder equals empty string. I quibble with the variable naming in this one. Because if you're printing folder, that should be called output or something, not folder. But it works. Probably got it done quick by not changing the variable name. Number 2, view code. JavaScript. Let result equal empty string. Constant num equals parse int of read line. Sure. Let I equals 0. I less than num I plus plus. Const folder equals read line. Result plus equals string with the value folder and a slash. Constant file name equals read line. Constant extension equals read line. Console.log. Result file name dot extension. Using the name result over there. That works. Cool. Oh, I should share my code. Took me a while. And I'm not going to hang around any longer. Let's play again. Oh, if anyone wants to join in. Apparently I'm the host, so that's cool. So Art says, Polynomu is me, by the way. Oh, cool. You already found your way in. Good job. Did I just read code from Polynomu? I don't remember. Sometimes I don't pay attention to names. It's a problem. I should get a username. I mean, I pick a user profile picture on here. I don't know what, but I'll think of something. Reverse mode. You have to guess what to do by observing the provided set of tests clash now. 5. Oh gosh. 9. Big number. Oh, it's numbers. It's values of print value of pi. Okay. I hope I can. Okay. Yep. We already have math. Print. How does this work? F quote blah blah math dot pi. How does print formatting work? Oh, I think it's colon. Yeah, Polynomo's already got it. While I'm sitting here thinking. Colon. Is that right? I don't think that's right. Oh, well, it doesn't help if I... Oh, but I actually got the right number of digits. I just need to replace dot, oops, not dot, comma, empty string. Try again. 314159. Oh, I need n minus 1, huh? Great. M equal n minus 1. I guess it can't parse that kind of a thing in there. What? Why did n work but not m? Oh. What? What is it giving me? 4 is type int, which it has to, m is type int, which it has to be up there. Am I missing something obvious? What am I doing? Unknown format code M for object type float, but it treats n differently. Oh, n means something different than what I think it means. It's not actually doing the integer. Do I have to do that? No, that's not it. Okay, I'm gonna look up Python number formatting. That's obviously I don't know how to do this. I want a website I know. Read the docs, that'll do it. Precision. The precision is a decimal number indicating how many digits should be displayed after the decimal point for a floating point value formatted with F or F or before and after the decimal point for a floating point value formatted with G or G. So I want G and then the number. Fill, align, sign, number, 0, width, dot, precision, type. Format spec. Dot print. Math. So we got math.py. Format math.py, comma, G, F, G, G, actually N, because G takes care of the -1, or takes care of accounting for the print format. Try again. Format spec, fill, align, sign, width, comma. Oh, we need a dot. Oh, is it the number then the G? And then I need the dot replace. Don't like how long this is taking me. It rounded up and I didn't need it to round up. Solar says it seems that :n has nothing to do with the variable n. Okay, yeah, I agree with that conclusion. Let's do this as a string. We'll just do it up to n plus 1. Now we'll do string math.py dot replace point with a empty string. We'll print that. We'll lose this. Okay, there we go. I don't love how long that took me, but we got him. Let's get rid of this M stuff. Don't need it. Double check that my test cases are okay. I'm sure they are, but I'm going to double check anyway. Submit. Okay, Polynomial, let's see your 35 seconds against my 6 minutes. Oh gosh. Okay, share my code. 75% score. I really want to know what got set. Like, how did the right code that only got that missed some? I don't understand. Okay. So S equals string of math dot py dot replace that. Print print S bracket :n. Yep, works. Can I go to the next one? Apparently not. Python 3 in 101, pretty good. String, math.py.replace, length 0 colon n. Yeah, the 0 can be there. 124 in Python 3. Int math.py, whoa. Ten to the n minus 1. Clever. And take the int of that. I like this solution. So I like it so much I'm gonna put it in the Twitch chat. Who was that? Was that Gonslow? No, that was Mika 1. Gonslow has JavaScript, parse int read line, log.string, math.py substring, 0 comma n plus 1. Plus 1 to account for the period or the decimal point that's going to be removed and dot replace. Yeah, makes sense. That was Gonslow. NKTR. Print string math.py.replace. Yep, same idea. There's mine that got to it eventually, and it's the same idea. And we'll play again. Good clash. If anyone wants to jump in from the stream, go ahead. Oh, I have the power to launch the clash. Maybe I'll do that. Yeah, doesn't seem like anyone else is joining, so... Oh, someone just joined. Moments before I click. Okay, whatever. Sorry, I almost locked you out there. Reverse mode. Let's go, clash. A, B, A, B, hello, L, what? Is it reversing the capitalization? Okay. Yeah, it's reversing capitalization, but leaving other strings alone. So, is there a dot is upper for strings in Python? That's I think what I so let's do a list comprehension. S for, or let's do C in st under str. Polynomial, you are quick. Solaris. Def swap case of C return C dot upper Q PPER if C dot is upper else C dot lower swap. It'd be funny if I had, you know what? We're going to put a capital P in the variable name because we can. We're going to do it. Swap underscore case of C if C dot is alpha else C means C dot swap case. Empty, is it empty space? Yeah, dot join this whole thing. We gotta print. Let's do it. Darn it. Is it is underscore alpha? No, I don't remember. How about just alpha? Darn it. Python is alpha. Python string ISALPHA. Did I misspell it? What did I do? String error has no string object has no attribute swap case. Oh, C dot swap case of C. That doesn't make sense. C dot. Oh, come on. We need it the other way around. There we go. Now we submit it. How long did that one take me? Too long, I bet. 3 minutes. Ah. Let's go reverse submit time order this one. So we've already seen my code. We don't need to see that again. Import sys, import math, string input. This is Varga. For I in understring. Print end equal I dot lower. Oh, that's interesting. I've never seen print nothing with specifying the end parameter. But it's more efficient than printing the thing, comma, end equals empty string. So I dig it. Cool. I'm going to clip this because I think that's kind of a neat solution. That was Varga. Let's do Gonslow in JavaScript. I don't know why, but JavaScript is making my eyes hurt today. Result. If C equals C dot to uppercase. Oh, that's a neat way to check it. Also C equals C dot to lowercase. So you cast it to lowercase, check if it's equal to itself. Yeah, that's legit. Otherwise, result plus equals C. Console.log result. Yep, works. That was Gonslow. Let's see, NKTR. O equals empty string for C and string. A equals string of C. Isn't it a string already? I don't get the A equals string of C line here. Oh well. If A dot is lower, A plus equals that other. Otherwise, oh, interesting. You can call dot lower on any character and it'll just, I guess it'll just leave alone the ones that are non-alphabetical. Huh. That's interesting. Which was that? That was NKTR. And now we have our winner. Congratulations, Polynomu. Empty string, dot join, E dot lower if E dot is upper, else E dot upper for E and S. That's all it takes. That is all it takes. Dot join. Okay, that's that parenthesis. Play again. Let's do another one. Now I do not have the power to... Oh, I want to give you the... Give Twitch chat the coding game join URL. See if anyone joins. Fast mode. You're a DM and your players have a lot of dice rolls to perform. Critical success, critical failure, if not success above the expected value, also called DC or equal to it, failure if it is below the expected value. You decide to write a script that gives that given rolls will automatically tell you their... Let me try again. You decide to write a script that, given the rolls, will automatically tell you their outcomes. Success, failure, critical success, or critical failure. I feel like we could have used a comma or two in there. First line, an integer NB roll that represents the number of rolls the program has to process. Next, n roll, 1 less than equal to NB5, roll less than 5, 1 less than equal to roll less than equal to 20, 1 less than equal to expected, less than equal to 20. And what do we output? Multiple lines. So we can just do the print in here. If roll equal 1, print critical, right? Critical failure. Elif roll. We've already it's already been cast to an int, right? Yep, equals 20. Print quote critical success, a crit hit. Elif roll LLL. Is it just that it's supposed to be greater than or equal to the expected value? Equal, greater than or equal to. What am I doing? Just a normal success with a pritten. Fix that. Else pritten print failure. I feel like I'm not as quick as I could be. Play all test cases. Oh no. Did I forget the print? I attack the goblin and try to stab him while doing a salto. I don't know what that means. Play all test cases. That's better. We'll go in, share my code. We'll start with the fastest first this time. So we've got the pre-provided code. If roll is 20, if roll is 1, if roll is greater than or equal expected, else. Yep. Gone slow. Oh, we've got nested ternary statements. That's fun. Wait, what language is this? JavaScript. Still nested ternary. Still nested ternary. Okay. That one's cool. Electronomancer. I like that name. Ruby. Oh, good. Yeah, sure enough, Ruby has these end things. It's interesting. Get s.toI. To integer. Okay. mv.roll times do roll expected if roll view code nb roll equals int of input. This is Python 3. Oh, we're doing the if and the print on the same line. Spicy. Elif roll. Oh, that's interesting. Print success, comma, failure, bracket, roll less than expected. So this will be a Boolean, which works like a 0 when it's an indexer. Huh. That's kind of neat. Clip that, because I like that. I kind of like that trick. Then it's my code. We don't need to see that again. Yeah, if roll, elif roll, elif roll, elif roll. Yep. Well, could have done an else here, but that's fine. Play again. Reverse. 1248. Hello world. How about character codes? T equals empty string. T dot append character of value print space dot join T. Should do it. We'll see. An integer is required for value in. Oh, we didn't do. Okay. Surprised it didn't do that for me, but I guess it makes sense. Invalid literal 6C. Oh, they're in hex. Okay. Python string to hex. The hex function, the int of x comma base was 16 as a base. Int of value comma 16. That might do it. Oh, it's not space dot join, it's just empty string dot join. Solaris says still no shortest. Oh, wait. What's still no shortest? Play all test cases. Submit. Still no shortest mode clashes. Oh, like code golf clashes. Gotcha. Share your code. I think I forgot to share it last time. Polynomu values plus equals value. Huh. I haven't seen. Wait. Oh, value. Oh, you were talking about this the other day. The value comma is a tuple, and a tuple can be appended to a list. Why don't just use dot append? Anyway. Print empty string dot join character of e for e and map lambda t int t comma 16 comma values. Okay, good. Next one. Value count equal int of input for value in input dot split print. Oh, this trick again with end equals something. Character int value comma 16. And then my code, and then no one else has shared, so we'll play again. You have to pass the maximum number of tests with the lowest code size. Shortest mode. Hey, we got your shortest mode. I'm probably not going to do great at this. Calculate the maximum absolute difference between two adjacent integers in the input string. Maximum adjacent distance. Okay. So it's like n minus previous n. So I think we can do something like print max of do I have to index it? I think I do. I mean, I have to enumerate so it's like we'll need an enumerate input dot split Wait, we only do input dot split once. So it's like input dot split. Oh, but I need the value of, darn it. Because then I can go like x for x minus abs x minus t I minus 1 for I comma x. Do I need that space? In enumerate t. Why is it complaining about? Oh, I don't need that. I definitely don't need this space. Minimum of this whole thing. I guess we have to take that input. Oops, didn't want to comment out that one. Do want to comment out this. Attribute or built-in or function object has no attribute split. That's because I didn't use the input method. Bad operand type for abs generator. Oh, oops. Right, yeah. Oh no. Get abs in here. Try this. Code size 449. I don't care about that right now. Oh no, do I really have to? Okay. Int of x for x in all these characters. Ah. Wait, I have another line here that I just forgot about. If in doubt, flop the list index out of range though. Why didn't the -1 work? Let's see if I can work out why this gave me a 1. It probably only did the first comparison. So why didn't it do the 10 and 2? Enumerate t x and input dot split for I comma x. Uh-oh. So first time chat. Rafarafat W. I don't know, but thank you for dropping in. Said, aren't you asked the max difference? Yeah. So why on earth would I have typed min there? It's not a problem with my parentheses. It's a problem with my function choice. 9. Oh, off. Yeah, off by 1 error. Right? No, that's not right. Um, if we do 2 at I, then we're comparing the same one. How on earth did it give me a 9? I think I'm tired tonight. Oh, it must have done 10 minus 1. Oh. Yep. So how do I throw out... without a bunch more characters? How do I throw out the... code size 78? Oh gosh. Because I can't take it. I can't remove it here because I need every one of the numbers for my comparisons. What about on if I equals 0 else? That's too many characters. Okay, fine. I'll do a 0. Just or minus big number. I'm not gonna waste all those. Are the integers are always less than or greater. The integers are always greater than or equal to 0. Stars asks, do you plan to continue doing the Winamax puzzle? I do plan to continue doing the Winamax puzzle, though not necessarily tonight, because I don't know if I have the brain for it tonight. Okay, now what's my code count? Hey, 69. I'm a few lower than Polynomu. I like that. And I might even be able to optimize a little bit more. Oh, no, I'm not. I deleted a line I shouldn't have deleted. I'm so confident. Wait, now what's wrong? What did I delete that I shouldn't, or what did I not delete that I should have? Oh, that's why. 124. Yeah, that's more like it. That's more realistic, isn't it? Hold on. I can cut down a few characters, but I don't think I'm gonna get it down to below, what was the number? 78. I've got 122. 122 is a perfectly nice number, although 121 is a palindrome, so that's kind of cool, I guess. Oh, what are all these spaces doing here? You know, we're not using the n, so we can throw that out. We just need to take that input. So ours is Java in shortest. What? I don't see the Java one. 717. Oh, I get what you're laughing at. It's funny that someone would use Java in a shortest challenge. That's not gonna. Is that gonna work? I don't think that works. Oh, that works. But 4x is not gonna work, and that's not gonna work. Print max of 0 if I equals 0, else. What? I don't know what that notification was about. Else abs x minus 1 to I minus 1 for I comma x and enumerate t. So how can I shorten this? Let's just start again. For input, comment this. Hold on, only got a little bit of time left. Input for s in input dot split. What are we trying to do anyway? P equals 0. X equal int s. P equal x. Oh, this is already long. Oh no, that's all this extra stuff. Oh, we need a min. Print m. Does this one work? Have I coded it correctly? Oh, int minus p, but abs. That's more correct. 9 again? How are we comparing 10 to 1? I have little time left. Is this solution going to be any chance of being shorter? Not shorter enough. So let's at least get a correct solution in, even if it's not the shortest. $25, 24 seconds to spare. All right, Polynoma, what do you got? Whoa. I might be too tired for this one tonight. Star x comma equal map int comma bracket star open 0 1 dot split print max abs e minus a for ea in zip. Oh, zip is a good one. Oh yeah, zip is beautiful here. Zip x comma x 1 colon. Yeah, you zip x with x by like next to itself. But star x comma map ren help me out, Solaris. What on earth is line 1 doing here? And then it's been an hour, so I'll take a stream break. But I really want to know. I really want to know what line 1 is about because I am baffled. Just deconstructing the map object and assigning it to x. What does open do? Otherwise, x is a map object and you cannot do everything you want with it. By doing this, X becomes regular list. How does unpacking on the left side of the assignment operator work? By doing this, X becomes a regular list. Open of 0 is the standard input. So star open must be unpacking somehow the standard input, but how does it know to take 2 lines of input and then stop? Solaris says it would look like an iterable with the lines as its elements. So you have the star open paren 0, so that gives you your input. You take the first one because you take the index of 1 because the 0 index is open paren 0 paren bracket 1 bracket would be the second line because it starts at 0. 0 indexing, sure. Dot split, I get the dot split, and mapping int onto that just applies int to every one of those. That's a good thing. Solar says, but you can't do this with this iterable. With what iterable? So again, you have to deconstruct it and put the elements in a list. List star iterable. It won't let you do open paren bracket n. So if x, I'm looking at to the left of the assignment operator now. If x is a, what is x? Is x a list then? And you're saying on point star x, so unpacked x, comma, so a tuple containing unpacked x is equal to this whole thing. Does that mean this? Is that like we're packing the right into? Solar says no, it's a weird syntax. Oh, x is not unpacked. The right item is unpacked and assigned to x. Well, why don't we put the star on the right side of the equal sign? I guess because it's a weird syntax. Okay, that's been an hour. I am ready for a stream break. I will be right back. I need a better be right back screen, but this will do for now. Solar says, I don't know the specifics. I just use it because it works. Yeah, that's valid. Okay, BRB. Okay, I am back, but probably not for long. I am sort of tired. So even though it's only been an hour of stream tonight, I am going to call it. I'm going to call it a stream. I'm going to say thanks for watching. And I am getting out of here. Have yourself a good night. I'll have to do this. Hey, first time chat. Thanks for stopping in. Maybe I'll catch you tomorrow. Have a good night. And thanks for the follow. I appreciate that too. No, I really am. Okay, wait a second. I think you've heard that. I'm really getting out of here now.